Useful 3D print. The lid had broken on the waste bin, and the catch or hinge arm, whatever you call it, had broken. There's the broken one. So we 3D print a new one. There it is. And that was just a dummy to see if it would work. And now we go close. That's it. Open. Brilliant.